Hello. Welcome back to the realm of tons, your partner for on-site oxygen and nitrogen solutions. I'm Eaton, and today I will help you solve yet another daily challenge of your nitrogen and oxygen needs. Is your on-site nitrogen and oxygen system a jumble of different brands, causing headaches and inefficiency? Are energy costs draining your profits? Discover Tons, the total oxygen and nitrogen solution from Atlas Copco. It's more than equipment, it's a unified system designed to streamline your operations and save you money. And with the optimizer and extender, you can take control and achieve peak efficiency. But Tons offers more than just control. Our innovative energy recovery system captures waste heat from your compressors and puts it to good use, preheating water or other processes. It's like turning waste into profit. Peace of mind is priceless. That's why we offer the Total Responsibility Plan with Tons. Our experienced technicians handle all maintenance and repairs, ensuring your system runs smoothly and you can focus on what matters most, your business. Streamline your operations, reduce costs, and achieve a new level of control and efficiency. Ready to take control and unlock the full potential of your gas generator air system? Experience the synergy of Tons. Contact Atlas Copco today and discover how Tons can transform your operations.